back at a field where Jared missed a nice bobcat earlier in the season, and Andy bow hunts this area a lot for deer. So he sees tracks all the time, and lots of them. So we're hoping we get that bobcat to come back out. But obviously we're hoping for a coyote too. Any predator will do.
Well, I think I'm gonna cry. Called the bobcat out. Missed it. Yep. Why couldn't it just come in? It sat there for 45 minutes. It didn't move. Bobcat fever bad, like, just couldn't take it anymore. This sucks.
Shoot him. Dumped him. Nice. Wow, he came from downwind, huh? Wow, nice shot. Dude, that's the exact same spot I shot Eagle Eye.
Man, that thing.
Wow.
He was, geez, 40 yards?
30 yards. Wow.
He was,
He got up for you. Hold on. All right, take him. Wow.
All right.
Well, nice first shot. That was out there.
Now I think we have a dog down.
Wow.
All right. Well, no bobcat, but this will do. Good setup. I like this. Wasn't that long? Probably how long? 8 minutes maybe. 8-10 minutes. Didn't take long. He stared. Good thing we had the jack-in-the-box out there because he stared at that, but then I think he heard us when Andy goes.
He was directly downwind.
Yeah. See my
He had a
See the wind's going right this way, and that's where the dog popped out, is right there.
He had his eyes on that Jack in the Box.
So I'm surprised he didn't smell us earlier, but that was nice. All right, let's go get him. All right, this is one to add to our collection here for the NYPHA, the New York Predator Hunter Association tournament this weekend. And this is our third time here, and this is our third predator we've called in here. This is we're going for 100% here at this spot. Andy called one in. It's our honey hole. Andy called one in here in October. Shot that one. Actually, he shot that right up here on the hill, exactly where I hit this one the first time. And a couple weeks here ago, Jared called in a bobcat. Unfortunately, missed it. So this spot it's our honey hole for sure.
Usually the predators, they come out from this thick brush over here, and that's where we were watching. And I just happened to look over, and right to our right, downwind, this coyote came out.
Yeah,
and, it smelt us quick. It heard me. I don't know. It was so close. It just appeared.
We had the Jack in the Box out there, and he saw it, and I think he started to go at it. I think he may have heard Andy say there's one right there because he looked over, but then he got his attention back towards the Jack in the Box, and he just started booking it right towards the Jack in the Box. But then I think he hit our scent cone, and he knew. He just started booking it.
Zigzagging.
Oh yeah. So but we got him.
He made a good shot.
Yeah. So
sweet.
All right.
Nice shot, man. You gonna shoot him? Dump. Nice. Wow, he came from downwind, huh?